आगे बढ़े और आपको बताएं कि सऊदी अरब का दो तरफा ताल्लुकात को मजीद मजबूत करने के अज़्म का यादा। शहजादा फैसल बिन फरहान कहते हैं दौरा इंतहाई मुस्बत रहा। SIFC के प्लेटफॉर्म पर सरमायाकारी के हवाले से इंतहाई संजीदगी देखने में आई।
इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब में सऊदी वज़ीर ख़ारजा का कहना था कि SIFC के प्लेटफॉर्म पर मिलने वाली ब्रीफिंग इंतहाई मुतासिर कुन थी। सरमायाकारी के हवाले से हमसे जो हो सका करेंगे। वज़ीर ख़ारजा इसहाक डार बोले 25 लाख पाकिस्तानी अफराद क़ुव्वत की मेज़बानी पर सऊदी अरब के मशहूर हैं। नई पॉलिसी के मुताबिक हम मुख्तलिफ शोबों में स्किल्ड लेबर को दरामद करना चाहते हैं।
Economy, and they continue to be so, and I'm sure they will continue to be such in the future. And with the initiatives of the government, we hope we can add additional value for both of our countries in that regard. Obviously, as regards facing challenges together, we will have to cooperate, and we will rely on each other's support as we have historically. Both Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia very much believe in dialogue and cooperation to address the challenges that the world faces, and we will work together to bring others into that mindset and to work into that direction. I think for us what was most important was the new approach that we saw. We were already quite confident that Pakistan had significant investment opportunities in a multitude of sectors.
Your Highness, it is indeed a great pleasure to receive this high-power delegation in Pakistan. Thank His Highness and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia leadership for hosting our 2.5 million Pakistanis there, which is 28% of the workforce of Pakistan. I have requested that Kingdom may kindly consider, we will meet the standards, we will meet the skill requirements, we will meet more human resource export from Pakistan.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।